In this video, I will show you step by step how to get paid on Digistore24 by setting up your payout method correctly. First of all, open your browser and go to the Digistore24 website. Once the page loads, log in using your email address and password. After a successful login, you will arrive at your Digistore24 dashboard. This is the main control area for your account. Now look at the top menu of the dashboard. You will see an option called Account. Click on Account. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Payout Account. This will take you to the Payout Settings page. On this page, you will see a form where you can submit your payout information. This is where you tell Digistore24 how and when you want to receive your money. The first thing you need to do is enter your current Digistore24 password. This is required to confirm that you are the account owner and that you approved these changes. Next, you will see the option for payout per month. Here you can choose how often Digistore24 sends your payments. You will usually see three options. The first option is payment on the 7th of the month only. The second option is payment on the 7th and the 21st of the month. The third option is payment on the 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th of the month. Choose the option that fits your cash flow needs. More frequent payouts can be useful if you rely on regular income. Below that, you will see the Payout Threshold section. This setting defines the minimum amount you need to earn before Digistore24 sends a payment. For example, it may say that on the 7th of the month, a payout of $50 is possible. On the 14th of the month, a payout of $200 may be required. For international transfers, payouts usually start from around $250. These values can change, so always read the exact text shown on your screen. Set your threshold according to your preference and payment method. Next, you will see an option called Active. Here you can choose Yes or No. If you want this payout account to be used, select Yes. If you are just setting it up for later, you can select No and activate it when needed. After that, you need to select the currency for your sales. This is the currency in which your products are sold and reported. You can choose from options such as USD, EUR, MXN, ZAR, AUD, CAD, or NZD. Choose the currency that matches your business and target market. Now move to the email notification section. Here you can enter one or more email addresses that will receive payout notifications. You can add multiple emails if you want, for example, your main email and a backup email. This helps you stay informed whenever a payout is processed. Next comes the Payout Method section. This is where you choose how you want to receive your money. You will usually see options such as PayPal, USD bank transfer, ACH payment, and international bank transfer. If you select a US bank transfer, you will need to enter your bank account number and your routing number. Make sure you enter this information carefully, as mistakes can delay your payment. If you select international bank transfer, a new form will appear. In this form, you need to enter your bank name, street address, city, zip code, state if applicable, and country. You also need to select your country from the list. Fill in all fields exactly as your bank requires. If you choose PayPal as your payout method, you will need to enter your PayPal email address. After that, you will be asked to confirm using your Digistore24 password. In some cases, a PayPal confirmation form may appear. Follow the instructions on the screen and submit the form to link your PayPal account. After choosing your payout method, you will see the Payout Currency option. Here you can decide whether the payout is made without currency conversion, using the currency set for your account, or whether the payout is made in USD. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your bank or PayPal account to avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Once all fields are filled in, carefully review your information. When everything looks correct, click the Save button. Your payout method will now be set. You can also add a new payout account later if needed. Digistore24 allows you to store multiple payout methods, but keep in mind that not more than one account per currency can be used at the same time. You also have the option to delete a payout account if you no longer want to use it. That is all you need to do to set up your payment method and get paid on Digistore24. Before you leave, I want to quickly mention a tool I personally recommend for staying safe online, especially when managing accounts and payments. That tool is NordVPN. It helps protect your data, keeps your connection private, and is very useful when working online from different locations. If you want to try NordVPN at a great price, check the link in the description below.